Welcome to our showcase video Self-Service Your IT with au2mator. Today I want to show you how to self-service your SCOM environment by providing services to install, repair and uninstall your SCOM agents. So your business service owners or your application owners can easily add, remove or repair servers or the SCOM agent of a server and don't need to open the console or anything else. They just can do it by themselves. So in our case, we want to start with SCOM installation. So I'm looking for install and should hopefully see the installed SCOM agent service, of course. And here just can select from my Active Directory any new server, computer, whatever you like. In our case, I want to have the demo 05 because 1 and 2 are already installed. And I click finish. The runbook, the automation will be triggered and the SCOM agent will be deployed and connected to my SCOM environment. As you know, this can take some while. We don't wait for this. I just want to show you some more services. And if I see that my server is not responding any correct information to the SCOM environment, I can repair my SCOM agent by myself by selecting the repair SCOM agent service. I select an agent, and of course only the agents are displayed which already have a SCOM agent installed. In my case, I want to do it for the demo 02, and I click finish. The automation in the background is now stopping the health service, removing the health dir directory, clear the registry, clear the certificates and start the service again. So this also will take some time. And the last one is if a server is leaving my environment, I can also uninstall a SCOM agent by myself without interacting the IT department or anything like this. So I have a form where I also can select the computer. In my case, once again, the demo 02, and I click finish. Now the SCOM agent will be uninstalled from the server, and it will be disconnected from the SCOM environment and so on. So this is it. You can self-service the SCOM agent management and provide it to your business service owners. And you will find all the informations and links in the video description. Enjoy your day and bye.